Hey everybody, welcome back to another David's Outdoors video. So you can see there's snow on the ground, so let's hop in the tractor. I got her warmed up. We're gonna clear off this my shop parking lot first, and then we're gonna go tackle the driveways. So stay tuned, let's go. All right guys, well, we're just gonna clean off the shop parking lot here first with the HLA 2500, and then we're gonna pop that bad boy off, stick the Normand on the back, and continue with that. So we're just going over gravel right now, so that's why it doesn't look super clean. But this pusher's doing a pretty good job. So I'll probably just time lapse all of this and get back with you guys on the driveways. Alright guys, well, welcome back to another David's Outdoors YouTube video. And just as we were preparing in the last video, we've got snow today. Not a whole lot. They were originally only predicting about half an inch, and we ended up getting about 1.5 inches to even 2 inches in some spots. And it's been a little bit windy, so we do have drifting as well that we have to take care of. So we're just going to get right into it. We've got about 70 driveways, I believe, to get done right now. Only about 10 of those have walkways, so we just got my wife behind me in my pickup, and she's carrying the little walk-behind snowblower as well as the shovel. So if we do need to hop out, we'll just have her come with us, and she's also going to be helping with a little bit of the recording. We're going to be doing some marketing today for the real-life business, not just the YouTube business. So she's going to be helping with that aspect of things tonight. So let's make sure we've got all of our lights on. We got our strobe lights, everything else. We did test. Well, looks like the Normand's working okay. We've got the deflectors going all right. We are in four-wheel drive because we're kind of in some slush right now, but yeah, it's gonna be a good day. I'm excited. So let's meet you at the first house. Well, that was kind of frustrating, not gonna lie. This snow removal model for a lot of you guys has been around for many years, right? Well, for us here in South Dakota, this is pretty much the first year that people have truly seen, you know, what they're getting and signing up for. Well, with that, they're used to the full service way is kind of like what I would like to say, and so this confuses them. For me to just show up, do their driveway, not do walkways or anything, it kind of confuses them. And so this poor man, he's got a cane. So I just hopped out and I did his walkways and stuff as well. But yeah, it's a little bit frustrating. You know, I sent out an alert for everyone to move their vehicles, and then they don't move their vehicles, and that's just one thing for you guys is figure out the best way to communicate that with people, because that's around here, people love the full service, and it's hard to go up against that, I guess, which is okay. Obviously I wouldn't be where I am without my clients, so I can't be overly upset with that, but again, it just does kind of get a little bit frustrating. Oh, it's super slippery. These R4 tires, I'm just drifting the heck out of this tractor, so I think it might be time to start looking into how to get no key-ins or something at least on this that aren't R4s for the winter. So there's my wife right there. All right. We're gonna have to keep the chute kind of pointed down. It's a little bit windy, so it's just taking everything right now. We'll have to keep that chute pointed down as much as possible. Try to keep the snow on the ground until we're finally pushing it into the yard. I got to kind of focus. He's got a more difficult driveway than the majority of my clients. It's not 100% straight, so all that done right there. Now one of the issues that we're running into is this Norman blower. It's leaving these skid marks off, these rubber marks on the driveway, so I've got to get that thing home, and I'm thinking I'll probably just take out the rubber and put in some poly, you know, cut out some poly chunks to stick in there instead. But at least for today, it's either been cutting, leaving black marks, or almost turning these driveways into sheets of Blair ice, because it's just kind of packing it down on the end of the blower. So that's going to be something that I'm going to have to look into tampering with a little bit later, but at the moment there's no way I could even look inside the blower, do anything with it, because it's just so kind of packed in with ice and stuff at the moment. So we'll just throw a nice time lapse up for you guys, so it's not just me talking the whole time. You can see us blowing some snow as well. Well, we're gonna call that a day. I'm gonna end the video here. We ended up getting all the driveways done. Got the Normand actually tested a little bit in a little bit more snow than just half an inch. Overall, I would say everything went pretty good. It was pretty successful. So I've just got to go finish up about half a dozen more sidewalks and walkways and whatnot. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked the video, please subscribe. I'd love to do more of these. I believe there's 2 or 3 more snow events on the radar right now for the upcoming 2 weeks. So every snow event we'll post. I hope you guys enjoyed the different style that I had out there today. And again, thank you guys so much for subscribing to me. I know we're at like 350 subs now as this video goes up. So it's absolutely blowing me away. I never thought that I would be able to say that. But thank you guys again so much for watching. Please subscribe, leave a like, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.